7 shelves you can make from upcycled materials. Want to show off a couple of small prized possessions? This belt shelf from Ronya, the dexterous blogger behind Nur Nok, is a smart idea that's cheap and easy to create. All you need to get started is a wood board and an old suede or leather belt. In this instance, Ronya used an Ivar shelf that she picked up at IKEA for less than $5. Carrie, the frugalista who pens curb to refurb, has a knack for recycling found objects into stunning home furnishings. She created this stylish round shelf using a discarded cheese box. Becky, the resourceful homeowner who pens humble art department, created this rustic shelf using wedge slices from a tree trunk she found in the park. The keyhole brackets used to hang it cost her only 99 cents. If you have a dresser you no longer need, you can follow this blogger's crafty lead. Emily, from Namely Original, created these adorable box shelves using dresser drawers that she purchased from a resale shop. Miss Lot, from Nur Nok, transformed a narrow wooden box into a smart shelf. The project began with sawing the box in half lengthwise, using a circular saw. Then, one end is cut off each box half. Finally, the cut ends are joined together to form a long, narrow shelf. The newly created shelf is then attached to the wall with fasteners driven through the back edge of the shelf and into wall studs. Carrie, the self-professed dreamer and overthinker behind making lemonade, created this stunning shelving display using customizable papier-mâché boxes. This project is insanely easy to make. You don't need an extra closet when you have a dozen apple crates. Ronya from Nur Nok created a floor-to-ceiling shelving unit using old containers that she painted and then fastened to a wall. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.